Hey guys, glad you made it to Epic Media 7. This week's video is about bathrooms and why I hate bathrooms. And if it's one thing that I hate about bathrooms, America, you gotta go and you're trying to use the bathroom, you're like, oh, I can't hold it anymore, and there's pee all over the seat. Oh, man. Oh, man, there's pee all over. I got time for that. Dang enchiladas, I swear. That just really grinds my gears, America, whenever that happens. And then whenever you finally do get on the seat and you gotta go take a number 2, you drop one, water splashes at you, and really, this here's what it's like. I got water, the toilet splashed back at me, But in reality, this here's what it feels like. It splashed on me! It's so cold, That's what it really feels like. You get a little water on you, it's like it gets all over your body. It's so hard to wipe whenever that there happens.
I like it whenever it splashes up on my butt.
What?
It's easier to wipe.
What the? Last thing I hate about going to the boys' bathroom in a restaurant, I mean, I see the toilet seat down. I'm like, why is it down? Everybody's taking guys, they pee like this, they should keep it up, so that way they're peeing in there, not on the seat. But whenever you gotta take a number 2, guess what? It's clean, it doesn't have no pee on it, to where you can just sit right on it, and you don't have to worry about cleaning up no mess. Now girls, on the other hand, because guys, if you don't put the toilet seat down and your woman's gotta use the bathroom, you're gonna be sleeping on the couch tonight, if you know what I mean.
Man, she's making me sleep on the couch tonight. I wish I was getting me something right now.
I'll make your dreams come true.
Jacqueline! Well guys, this here's the end of this week's video. Thank you for subscribing, and you guys, if y'all could give us a thumbs up down below, because if you guys like this, then you guys should do this. Give us a thumbs up, please. Please like this, share on your Facebook, and thank you for everything. I hope to see all you guys at Shoot Fest, and see you guys later.